Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country within the chess.com game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in chess.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official chess.com website. Now if you haven't already logged into your account, click on the login button underneath the search box and then use your credentials, which will log you into your account right away. After you have been logged in, click on the settings option at the bottom left corner and then click on all settings. Now within the profile page of the settings menu, if you scroll a little bit down, you will be able to find your country option. You can click on the drop down menu and you can choose from the list of available countries within the game. Just click on whichever country you wish to change into, and you can also add your location if you wish by typing in your location above the country menu. If you wish to change your language into your home country, you can also do this by clicking on the drop-down menu alongside language. After making all of your desired changes, scroll down and click on the save button, and now your country will be changed onto your account right away. And you will also be able to see the flag of the country that you just changed into alongside your username. And there you have it. That is how you can change your country within the chess.com game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.